How to sign up for Hulu. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To sign up for your Hulu, tap open your Hulu application or visit the Hulu website. To begin with the sign up process, you will have to purchase a package of it as well. Or chances are, if you have the Disney Plus bundle, you already have your package. Tap with the login button where you can easily enter email address and log in. If not, tap on Start Free Trial, then select on the desired package. To continue, enter your email address and tap on the Continue button. In here, enter your password. Then tap on Login again. Now, following with the further step, you will have to accept with the terms and condition, enter your date of birth, and secure the payment through your card or any other payment method. After the payment is successful, you'll get yourself your very own Hulu account. And that is how you sign up for Hulu. And it is a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.